Hey everyone, welcome to Prosperous Life Finance, where I help educate you in becoming a better trader and investor. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at NIO stock and seeing why it has gone up over the past week, and we're going to be taking a look at its possible future trajectory. So before we start, I would definitely love for you guys to join the Prosperous Life family, where we are all a large community of like-minded traders and investors. And all you simply got to do to join the family is just like this video and subscribe to the channel, as it does help me a lot and allows me to provide you guys these amazing and helpful videos for you guys in order to continue on in your investing journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So in case you guys are new to this stock, NIO is essentially part of the Asian premium electric vehicle market. They design, manufacture, and sell smart and connected premium electric vehicles, which they drive innovations and next generation technologies in connectivity, autonomous driving, and artificial intelligence. And all this information and more can be found in the investor relations section of the NIO website. Now, about 3 months ago, I actually made a video here on YouTube that actually talked about NIO stock and all the different products which they actually have to offer. And around that time of the video, the stock was around $13.50. And if you guys actually want more information about NIO stock, go ahead and watch that video where I actually go in depth into the company and I actually go into their financial data in detail and also have a technical look of the company stock. So that video is available on my channel. Now, the reason we're bringing up NIO stock is due to the fact that earlier this year, the stock was around $3 around May, and it was around $13 at the time I recorded the video on NIO stock. So looking at this chart right here on Google, within the past 6 months, the stock is already up over 759%. Now that is an insane return on your investment if you were to get in early, and it has already doubled in price from the time where I recorded the video about a few months ago talking all about NIO stock. Now you may be wondering, why is NIO stock going up in value? So just a couple of days ago, a JP Morgan analyst said that NIO stock has the potential to double in price. As we can see, their shares are already now a third of the way there. So as you can see, the JP Morgan analyst upgraded the stock of Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO to buy from hold, taking the price target all the way from $40 from $14. A very insane price point. Now this is one of the main reasons why the stock has actually gone up in value just this week alone by over 30%. So if we look at a 5-day chart, we see how just in a couple of days the stock has gone up almost 30%. So what is the reason why this JP Morgan analyst thinks is going to increase by a large amount in value? As you can see, this analyst thinks that China's electric vehicle penetration will be 4 times higher by the year 2025, which means that about 20% of all new cars sold in China are going to be battery powered. Now in my opinion, this is a very bullish sign for the overall Asian electric vehicle market, as there is a very high bullish outlook for this type of market, as many electric vehicle makers have been getting lots and lots of attention within the past few months. Now another reason why this is a very big deal is due to the fact that within this country, it has the largest market in the world for new vehicles. So one very noticeable thing is due to the fact that Tesla has actually been the spotlight of the electric vehicle market within the past year. As we can see, the JP Morgan analyst also says that this is part of Tesla's recent emphasis on the actual Asian market, which can have an impact on NIO. So one thing to note is that the analyst actually sees NIO as a long-term winner. Now what does this mean? This actually means that this stock is going to be a winner in the long term, in the sense that it could take a very long time for you to get a very high return. Now, even though this stock has gone up very significantly within the past few months, there is still lots and lots of room to grow. But one thing to know is that it can always take time depending on the overall company and how fast it can actually grow within this very large market. Now, in my opinion, at a price of around $30, I do think that this stock still has lots and lots of room for growth within the next few months and even into the next year. So you can see this analyst also says that it is a long-term winner in the premium portion of the smart electric vehicle segment due to its strong products, its relative financial strength. He also says that even though NIO stock has already run up sharply in the year 2020, he thinks that its current valuation leaves room for meaningful upside over the next few years. So now let's go ahead and take a more technical look at NIO stock. Here on the screen, you are looking at the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim trading platform, which is my platform of choice when it comes to trading and investing. So here we have pulled up NIO stock, and we are currently looking at a 180-day chart. So a few things you can see is that in June the stock was around $4 or so, and it has now gone up all the way to almost $30. So one thing to note is that this has actually stayed consistently above the 200-day simple moving average, which is actually a bullish sign. As we look closer to this past month, we do see how within the few days this has actually also stayed above the 9-day exponential moving average, which actually gives us another bullish view for the short term. Now there are a few things I would like for you guys to know before we continue. First of all, the RSI down here is actually signaling us an overbought stock. Now, what does this mean? This means that if you are a short-term investor or swing trader, I would wait to get a price that is somewhere around a fair value. But if you're a long-term investor, which means that you would hold the stock for multiple months or even years, I do think this is an early price point to get in, as it is only around $30 per share, and in my opinion is still technically an undervalued company, as it has lots and lots of room to grow within this large electric vehicle market in one of the most largest countries in the world. So this was a more technical look at NIO stock. So now I want to go ahead and ask you guys, what do you guys think about this stock? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, as I would love to hear what you guys think about this stock, and I would love your feedback as well. Now, once again, we do see how the analyst has moved this stock up by a large percentage just this week alone, and has actually given NIO the spotlight, which I do think it deserves, as it is still undervalued in my opinion, and has lots and lots of room for growth and potential within the near future and also within the long term. So once again, I would love for each and every one of you guys to join the Prosperous Life family, and all you simply got to do is just like the video and subscribe to the channel in order to see more videos like this every week. I would love to thank each and every one of you guys out there that do support the channel, as we are now on the way to 500 subscribers. Once again, thank you all for watching. God bless you all, and I will see you all within the next video.